but we had tax cuts that were passed, and within the law itself there was a 10-year expiry.
Right, yes.
Why not turn that around? And since the Constitution is very clear and explicit about bills to raise revenue, you freeze all you set a date at which all of the federal government's sources of revenue are frozen. And then you always have the option of increasing beyond that level.
Hi,
but
are you watching
increase
me?
comes with a 10-year expiry. An automatic 10-year expiry.
Right.
So after
that
10
a
years
movie?
you have to come back
Hello.
and renew
I can't see you.
tax hike.
Yeah.
Going
Hi.
back to the forest
Those
now.
ears, Kim.
Yeah.
I was so near
Hi.
that when I crossed the road, I could hear its hooves clattering on the cobbles. You're fast. Well, I just routed it off.
Hello.
Everybody else chased it in my direction.
Kimmy, what did you find? What animal was it? Was it a rabbit? It was very large.
But the golden boys just what's saving it, and I wanted to stay here.
Did you not want to chase the deer?
Here.
Because maybe the deer was scared.
Here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, there
If
you
you
have
had
it.
jingle bells, you could shake the jingle bells, and maybe the deer would like the bells. Would have probably run away from that too. Apples. They like apples. Don't
They do like apples.